Good morning, sir. Good morning, Private. Everything looking good, boys? Yes, Captain. Perfect. Now we just need to wait for our scouts. Oh, speaking of... Everything is all good, Captain. Perfect, Sergeant. I've heard 7th Armored will be meeting up with us so we can start our assault on Tannenberg. Captain! What is it? Maybe they're friendly. Have you heard what happened to the Tans or the Greys? Open fire! I'll go check it out. Be careful. Lieutenant! Keep firing! This is Captain Travis. Inform High Command we have successfully repelled an animal attack.